Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever been on the hunt for a lip product that's as smooth as it is long-lasting, today might just be your lucky day. Let's talk about the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon in Smooth Caramel. L'Oréal, one of the giants in the beauty industry, has crafted a lip crayon that promises full coverage with just one swipe and a long-lasting matte finish. It's a simple product with a lot of potential, so let's dive into the details of this crayon, its performance, and whether it really lives up to the hype. This lip crayon is designed with convenience in mind. The ergonomic mechanical tip makes it incredibly easy to apply, even on the go. The idea is simple. Swipe and you're done. No smudging or feathering, just clean, even color that stays in place throughout the day. And it's not just about performance. It's also about the experience. The crayon has a sweet caramel aroma that gives it a touch of indulgence. When it comes to texture, the formula feels creamy and smooth. There's no tugging, and the application is buttery, which I appreciate because matte lipsticks can sometimes feel dry or patchy. But this lip crayon gives you that matte finish without sacrificing comfort. It's a true matte, but one that won't make your lips feel parched or uncomfortable after a few hours. As for the color itself, Smooth Caramel is a beautiful, warm, neutral tone that works well for a wide range of skin tones. It's the kind of color you can wear daily, whether you're going for a natural look or you just want a hint of something bold without it being too dramatic. The range of shades L'Oréal offers, 18 in total, means that there's something for everyone, whether you're a fan of bold reds or soft nudes. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I've been testing this lip crayon for a few days, and I'm impressed by its staying power. I wore it through a morning coffee, a busy afternoon of meetings, and even a little snack, and it barely budged. The formula doesn't dry out your lips, and the matte finish stays put without the need for constant touch-ups. I can honestly say, once this crayon is on, it stays. There are, of course, a couple of things to keep in mind. First, like many matte formulas, it can accentuate dry patches on your lips if they aren't properly prepped. It's always a good idea to exfoliate and moisturize before application. Secondly, while the formula is long-lasting, it can sometimes feel a little too creamy for those who prefer a more traditional, drier matte lipstick. It's all about personal preference, though. For me, the smoothness was a major plus. In terms of value, the price of this product is definitely within reason for what it offers. You're getting a high-quality formula, a shade range that's flattering for various skin tones, and impressive performance that outperforms many other matte lipsticks at a similar price point. It's a solid purchase if you're looking for an easy-to-use, long-wearing lip crayon that delivers on its promises. Comparing this to similar products, it's clear that the L'Oréal Infallible Matte Lip Crayon holds its own. While there are other lip crayons out there that offer matte finishes, this one stands out for its smooth texture and the fact that it's so comfortable to wear. In terms of affordability and performance, it's hard to beat. As for the packaging, it's simple and functional. The crayon's twist-up design is convenient, and the sleek, easy-to-hold shape makes it a breeze to use. It's not the most luxurious packaging, but it gets the job done and feels practical for everyday use. Now, before I wrap up, I want to say, if this review has helped you decide whether or not to try the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. Your support helps us keep creating honest and thorough content. In conclusion, I definitely recommend this lip crayon for anyone who wants a matte lip product that's not only easy to use, but also comfortable and long-lasting. The color is versatile, the formula is creamy without being too heavy, and the scent adds a sweet touch to the whole experience. If you're a fan of matte lipsticks but struggle with dryness, this one could be your new go-to. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried the L'Oréal Infallible Matte Lip Crayon, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.